CSX is K977-09 here at Forest Hill Blvd, SX 974.1 with an ExConrail on lead. '73, '74, 46, '93. Goes the bottom end, passing me at 828. So I'm waiting on a triple thread SD50-2 on Q453, but we don't know if he actually slid through or not. I would say stay tuned, but I don't want you guys waiting for something that probably isn't coming or already has came. Anyway, I'm just going to conclude it right here and then film later. Alright, BBT 609. Here on the CSX Miami sub, SX 974.1, Forest Hill Boulevard in West Palm Beach. Have a safe trip to the crew of K977-09. Look, listen, and live. Out.